Hello traders, I hope your trading is going well. In today's video, I will show you how to obtain funded accounts for free and achieve payouts like this without spending anything. Watch until the end and I'll share a trading secret that can help you pass accounts more easily. Since I started trading with prop firms, I've been fortunate to receive several prop accounts for free and get funded. Currently, I'm trading with two prop firms, where one has funded me while I'm trying to pass phase 2 with the other. Here's a certificate of my first prop firm account, which I obtained for free and got funded. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. To begin this process, you will need two things. 1. An X account, formerly Twitter. 2. A Discord account. Once you have these two apps, you're ready to proceed. Let me hop on my computer and show you the steps you need to follow to get free prop firm accounts. First, open your X account. This is my official prop firm account, so kindly follow me for trading and prop firm updates and hacks. Also, if you're interested in joining a community of other traders who make a living through trading and learning how to trade, check out the Patreon link in the description. So, how will this process work? We'll follow prop firm accounts on X because these companies often offer discounts and giveaways to their followers. However, not all prop firms offer these giveaways and discounts. But don't worry, I'll give you a list of the prop firms that do. Another thing to note is that there are influencers who use this to bait Twitter users into following them and end up scamming them. I'll show you how to identify giveaways done by prop firms through influencers. Now, let me search for a prop firm account that is prone to doing giveaways. My flash funding once opening their X account, I'll scroll down until I find an ongoing giveaway. Here is one. These giveaways are presented in similar posts by prop firms and have certain conditions that are required for you to be considered a participant. For example, this giveaway requires you to retweet the post and tag 4 of your friends. You'll need to perform all the required functions to qualify. The post also states when the giveaway winners will be announced. For this one, the winners will be announced in 72 hours. Something important to note is that if you forget to perform one of the actions like retweeting the post, you will not be considered to have qualified. You can see some proof of winning to be sure this is not a scam. Here are some of my past giveaway wins. Now, a secret I'll give you that you can use to help you win these giveaways is to participate in as many as possible. All that is required is just your time, nothing else. And when you win the account and get a payout, you will have gotten risk-free money. Literally, the definition of a risk-free trade. Let me search for another giveaway. I'll search for MyFundedFX. I just saw them post a new giveaway. Here it is. You can see the conditions are similar to our previous giveaway we participated in. Complete the conditions and look for another company giveaway. I have created a Twitter list with all prop firms and influencers who post giveaways frequently. I'll leave the link to the list in the description box. If you can't find it, just DM me on Twitter and I will send you the link. Now, how will you be able to identify influencers who are using giveaways to gain followers and scam people? Just look at the description box. Most companies using influencers to run giveaways tend to leave a comment like this to confirm the giveaway is legit. I have been in the prop Twitter space for a while, and there have been influencers who have been exposed for selling giveaway accounts that the prop firms have given them to run. In the list I have created, I will include influencers who are genuine and don't run scam giveaway accounts. Check out my Patreon, where I post materials and strategies that can help you be profitable in trading, and join a community of traders who make a living through trading. Also, if you are looking for a broker, kindly check out the link in the description to see the broker that I use, and that's how you can get a free prop firm account. For more videos like this, subscribe to be notified when I drop.